So, who is that? I'm sorry guys, it's just my hubby's reaction when he realized I was shooting him. Anyway, we are going to the construction site right now. Yeah, and since I know it's not my face you want to see, I'm shooting the road. But honestly, it's not because it's not my face you want to see, it's because I'm also putting on, like, wearing things as if I'm going to the site to work myself. So I don't want you seeing that. So today there's not a lot going on. They're just finishing laying the foundation, and then tomorrow they're going to return the soil and level. So I guess tomorrow is when I will show you something different, because I'm pretty sure the last video I showed you in the previous video, is that even correct? The last scene, when I say scene, I feel like it's a movie. The last scene I showed you in the previous video is what is happening today. So let me not talk so much. Let me show you what's going on. Yay! I haven't been to the site since morning. It's currently in the afternoon, so a lot has happened. Yeah, a lot has happened. So if you're wondering why these stones look crooked, apparently these foundation stones always look like this. Like, you cannot find them in the same size. Some will be crooked, some will be straight. Like, this one really looks straight, and then that one crooked. So it's a lot of work trying to balance them and making them equal, but this is the job. They have learned, they have studied, and they have experience. So yeah, they're good at it. Can you guess how many bedrooms this place is? How many rooms, not bedrooms? How many rooms is this place? Because I'm standing inside right now. So yeah. Oh, I'm being told this house is too big, but I can't see it. I'm waiting for them to, like, put the slab and then start. I've forgotten the term I've been told, but start building literally. That's when I'll see if it's big or not. But you know, I'm from a place where the house is big, so I like big houses. Yeah, my parents' house is really big and spacious. So Mr. Architect, I can't get his angle well because my son is there. So good afternoon. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be greeting you because yesterday's video and today's video are going to be in the same video. But basically this is what I was telling you about. They were going to cover up with the sand that they had dug. Now, the reason they are converted in the same place is because they are going for lunch. So it's their lunch break. I came a bit late today, so you won't see them working, but I'll be sure to catch them working. So I actually thought that the only thing that happens here is just covering the sand, but apparently that's not it. Let me show you a little bit. So you can see the water. They have like to put in the water and then heat. English is not Englishing, whatever that means. But and then more like stamp it down so that it becomes tight. Yeah. And after this, they also have to put another sand, more like rough, broken, more like half broken, broken stones. They are called hardcore. So they have to put that before they do the slab. Yeah. So you see at the far end, they haven't put the sand yet. They haven't covered. And where the wheelbarrow is, they've been transferring sand from this side to there so that they can cover the hole. You see, it's deeper than the rest of this side. Now the reason it's deeper is because my land is kind of slopey, so on that side it's deeper than this side up. I'm laughing at myself because explaining is not one of my strongest suits. So yeah, but yeah, basically that side is lower than this other side, so it has to become higher so that the house will be level. Yeah, so that's it. Now after they come from lunch, I will come and show you what they'll be doing. So stay tuned.